My name's Tyler Shoemaker, and I'm a helicopter pilot. I've been flying fixed wing and rotary wing aircraft for the last 7 years. Originally, while conducting training, I had injured and severed the tendon in my right index finger, and they had to stitch it back together because it wouldn't allow my finger to bend at all. Once it was healed, or I was able to use my hand again, I still couldn't bend my finger even after months of physical therapy. I ended up having to relearn how to manipulate the controls because of my index finger didn't work as it used to. It was frustrating how long it was taking to get back to flying and get back to work. Eventually it was getting tough to want to keep going with just therapy and not try and look for another option. In the consults with my surgeon and trying to figure out what else we can do, he also mentioned there was a new product that wasn't sure if we were going to be able to get for the operation, but if I'd be interested in using VersaWrap, which was explained to me as a membrane, a wrap around the tendon to protect it from the scar tissue and allow my body to heal and keeping the tendon safe. He asked if I'd be open to trying that, which seemed like a no-brainer. Immediately following the surgery, I knew that something was different. One, the post-operative pain was less. Because the tendon was fully intact, I was able to go straight into physical therapy, and within the first couple days, they had me actively moving my finger. Limited, but full motion of every joint was moving. So I immediately knew that there was improvement in that with physical therapy continuing there, even though I was only a few days post-op, that it was successful. Probably about 2 months of physical therapy. Once everything was pretty well healed, when I left physical therapy, I had an equal grip strength in both hands. So it was back to the original outcome as far as strength-wise. For me personally, it was anything with small manipulation, playing with my son, things like video games, those sort of things that I don't have to think about anymore. It's kind of back to how it used to be. I almost don't ever notice that I had an injured finger. What the doctor told me about VersaWrap, it did everything that he said it would do. It protected the tendon from my own body from creating scar tissue that would stop it from moving. So the injuries on my right index finger, most of the swelling at this point has gone down, and then that was one thing. I couldn't make a fist before. My finger would just stick out, but now I can make a fist and it's back to normal.